Good morning, weirdos. What's going on, guys? All right, let's get into the market here. Let's have a quick look around. You got 2 weeks left, baby. What am I talking about? We're going to get into it. We're going to give you every little bit of it. But first, guys, before I get started, check out the link down below for Decent Self-Custody Wallet, the channel sponsor. Get yourself one today. Do not trust these exchanges with your money, guys. Hold your own coins. If these exchanges go insolvent, if they get hacked, anything could happen. Your money's gone. Why not protect yourself from these hackers and exchanges and hold your own coins? Link is down below for a great deal. All right, Jasmy up 3.5% on the day, down 11.5% on the week, 34.7 on the month, and 28 on the year. Up 4 spots in rank to 85. $689 million market cap, 46 million in volume. XCN down 3.7% on the day, 6.8 on the week, 45 on the month, but up 311 on the year, down 1 spot in rank to 118. $436 million market cap, 35 million in volume. And that's Bitcoin. Where is Swiftcoin and Zebek? Here's Zebek. All right, so Zebek up 5.5% on the day, down 29.7 on the week, and up 2.4 on the month. Up 13 spots in rank to 400, a $72 million market cap, 39 million in volume. Swiftcoin, even on the, up 0.4% on the day, down 17 on the week, 48.8 on the month, but up 88 on the year. We're up 2 spots in rank to 294, a $113 million market cap, 3 million in volume. Guys, that is awful. The volume is awful. I showed you guys where the volume is right now, where the liquidity is. I showed you guys that the other day. All of the money is leaving crypto, not leaving, but has left crypto, stocks, and everything else, the dollar, and it has flowed into gold and silver, right? People are using it as a hedge right now against what's going on with these tariffs. So Bitcoin right now, $84,321. Like I said, guys, we have this golden pocket. We've come up inside of here. We may come a little bit higher yet, but the inevitability of one of these two levels being hit, 68 to 69 or 72 to 74. If 72, 74 doesn't hold, we will come down to 69, retesting the lows on a wick at the very least. But right now, people are wondering if we're going to continue to the upside. My answer, quite simply, is no. There's no volume in the market, guys. We're getting a relief rally over this last 5 days or so, which is fine. But yeah, for me, the eventual target is still down here. If we want to invalidate a move down, we have to get above this blue line up here at $91,000 and start closing daily candles above there, multiple daily candles above there to invalidate a move down here, right? Anything short of that, and we're just putting in lower highs, and all we're doing is putting in continued downward structure, downward momentum. So yeah, I know it feels good to see this. It's like, oh, maybe, but when you zoom out, not so much, right? So Jasmy doing something very similar to Bitcoin, having itself a good couple of days here, sitting at 1 cent 427. Not too bad, but it's only going to hold as long as Bitcoin does, right? All of these altcoins, look, we're still in a bullish structure, guys. When we zoom out, we're still in our falling wedge pattern here, right? We fall out of it, but we came right back inside. So we're still in our bullish structure. When you zoom out, it's just, things are not going to break out as long as Bitcoin still has further down to go. And as long as there's no volume in the market, right? And we've seen that is evident from these next two charts over here on XCN, right? Very evident. We've tried to break out multiple times and failed. We keep failing because there's no volume. There's no gas in the tank, guys. There's no gas in the tank. Same thing over on Swiftcoin, right? Multiple attempts at breakouts, failed each time, trying again right now. There's no volume. There is no volume, right? So Yeah. So what am I talking about? 2 weeks. Well, actually, first let's have a look at ZBEC. I don't want to leave ZBEC out. So ZBEC had a little bit of a pump yesterday up here to about 2010, but we're back down to 2098 or 3098. Sorry. And we're probably going to come down and test this level of support here in the big picture. So might be a good opportunity to dollar cost average at the end of the day, right? All right, so you got 2 weeks left. What is Rob talking about? Well, Michael Saylor shared the same thing that I covered in the live stream yesterday. Michael Saylor shared it last night, right? So this is the M2 money supply, and it generally moves ahead of Bitcoin by a few weeks, right? So let's go over to my chart. As you can see, it is already in a massive upward swing, right? And has been for a couple of weeks now. If we look at Bitcoin, it's you know, it lags behind, as you can see. You've had your dump here. Sorry, that was sloppy. You've had your dump, right? And your consolidation down. You're having your dump and consolidation down on Bitcoin now. It's finally catching up, right? So what I think is going to happen over the next 2 weeks is this right here. As you can see, this circle right here. Here, I'll try to make it bigger for you guys. That's what she said. As you can see, these two circles, right? We have our little pump. That's where we are right now. Right now, as you can see, little pump, right? And then we're going to sweep the lows here, the lower down than this part here, right? The lowest little level that it hit before it started running up. So in saying that, Bitcoin for me is going to come down and sweep either 72 to 74 or 68 to 69 in a similar way to how the M2 money supply put in that little bit of a lower low, and then immediately V-shaped recovery to the upside, almost 50% recovery on the M2 money supply from the bottom. And I got the hiccups. So when is that supposed to start for Bitcoin? When should the leg up start? Well, it starts right here on the 30th of March, which is still 2 weeks away. So you have about 14 days left. 15 days. You have 15 days left. If Bitcoin continues like it has been here, as you can see, to be correlated with the M2 money supply, you will see Bitcoin do the exact same thing. So it will start to move to the upside. Massive recovery mode, right? It's coming. It's just a matter of time, guys. You got 2 weeks. So in that 2 weeks, we will likely sweep the lows before working our way up. That's what I'm anticipating. That's what I'm waiting for. And yeah. And then we have this little video here from Jasmy. Check it out. From the Daily Crypto News Flash. All right. So they say latest, the Jasmy and Chainlink partnership aims to bring big things to Japan's Bitcoin. Check it out. News coverage, baby.
Jasmy Coin, often referred to as Japan's Bitcoin, is taking a major step forward by integrating Chainlink's cross-chain interoperability protocol. This upgrade enables seamless token transfers between Ethereum and Base networks, significantly improving Jasmy's liquidity and accessibility. By adopting the cross-chain token standard, Jasmy is making it easier for users to move assets between chains without friction. The integration also extends to Junction, a Layer 2 blockchain incubated by the Jasmy community. Junction will leverage CCIP to enhance cross-chain applications, further pushing blockchain to an IoT adoption. Jasmy CFO Hara highlighted that this move positions the project at the forefront of the multi-chain economy while maintaining security and decentralization. With over $600 million in market cap, Jasmy Coin is expanding its reach and reinforcing its commitment to data democracy. By using Chainlink's infrastructure, Jasmy aims to provide secure, seamless, and efficient cross-chain functionality, strengthening its position in the blockchain ecosystem.
Could not be more understated, guys, with so few people actually talking about this new standard for Jasmy and Junction. It's absolutely massive, guys. Absolutely massive. Now, listen, if you're new to crypto, guys, if you're new to altcoin seasons, if you've never experienced anything like it before, why not surround yourself with a community of people who've been through multiple bull runs, right? The wealth of knowledge and experience at your fingertips to help guide you through this extremely uncertain time, right? I tell you right now, there's so many people. This is what we do over there. We help people devise exit strategies, when they should be taking profits, when they should be getting in and out of projects. We help with these kinds of things over there. People say they don't need that stuff, but then as soon as things start going euphoric in one of their altcoins, I start getting DMs like crazy from people that are not part of our community saying, hey, Rob, can you tell me when I should be doing this? Absolutely not. No, I cannot, right? We have one of the largest communities and educational communities in the crypto space over on our Patreon, guys, right? And we're there to help people who are part of our community, right? So don't get stuck, guys. Do not get stuck. I swear, whether it's my community or someone else's, whomever's community, do not find yourself being a man on an island when everything starts going parabolic, because you will be, pardon my French, for lack of a better word, completely screwed at that point in time. If euphoria is going to hit, your coins are pumping, exactly what's going to happen? What's going on in your mind? Oh, should I sell? Should I sell? Am I selling too soon? I'm going to sell too soon. I'm going to miss out on profits. But what if I hold too long? What if I hold too long and I hold and it crashes and now I'm stuck with these coins? That's exactly what goes through everybody's mind, especially new people, right? Don't do that to yourselves, guys. I know you think that you have it's funny because I say this all the time. I say, you think you have things figured out. You think you know when you're going to exit. You think you've got it all, mapped out and stuff. And I tell you every time, no, you don't. When things start going crazy, you're not going to know your butt from your elbows, right? And I get so many people who come over and join the community when they have a little taste of one of their projects going parabolic. And they say, yeah, no, I joined because I thought I had it figured out. And then my project started going crazy. And I was like, what do I do? Am I selling too soon? Should I hold? Am I going to hold too long? Bear markets are easy, guys. Figuring out when you should be selling, that's when it's hard. And I know you're sitting there going, well, hey, I know when my portfolio says this, I know I'm going to sell. No, you won't. No, you won't. Because everyone around you on X and on YouTube, your portfolio, let's say you hit, I don't know, random number, $500,000 in your portfolio. And you say that's when you're going to sell. But when everyone around you on X and on YouTube is telling you that the market's still going to 5 or 6X, you're going to look at that 500K and go, this could be $2.5 million if I don't sell now. And then you're not going to sell. And then the market's going to crash. And then your $500,000 is about $40,000. And you're angry. And you're wondering why this happened to you. And at the end of the day, it happened to you because you didn't want to become a member of a community. You thought you had it all figured out with zero experience in the market. And then you get stuck holding for a full cycle. Don't do this to yourselves, guys, right? We're there to help you out. Jump over to our community. It's the price of a Happy Meal, for crying out loud, right? The price of a Happy Meal. All these other channels are charging $100 plus for that kind of help. We do live streams over there every single evening. We have, again, one of the largest crypto communities in all of crypto over there. And you can book one-on-one coaching calls with me personally and so much more, guys. We just had open mic Fridays last night. It's a lot of work. There's a lot of work over there, a lot of education, but there's also a lot of fun as well. I promise you two things. One, you will learn to be a better trader and investor in this space by joining our community. And two is, once you become a member and you see the wealth of knowledge at your fingertips, the assistance that you get figuring everything out like that, you're not going to want to leave. So check it out for yourselves, guys, right? You have nothing to lose and everything to gain for the price of a Happy Meal. If you don't like it, all you did was spend the price of a Happy Meal, right? So check it out for yourselves. The link is down below, guys. We'll see you over there. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one.